Hey everybody. Hey everybody, I'm Ashley from Sappington Pro Outdoors. Today I'm going to give you a breakdown of the 2024 Polaris Sportsman XP 1000 Hunt Edition. This is a special edition ATV that is designed for hunters who want to take their game to the next level. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the engine and drivetrain. This engine has a ProStar 4-stroke engine that delivers 90 horsepower. That's a lot of power for an ATV, and it means you can tackle any terrain with ease. The transmission is an automatic with inline shifting, and the drive system is a one-touch on-demand, meaning you can switch between all-wheel drive and two-wheel drive with the push of a button. The engine braking system helps you control your speed on downhill slopes, and the active descent control keeps you stable on steep inclines. This Sportsman has a ground clearance of 12 inches. It also has a fuel capacity of 5.25 gallons, and the hitch towing rating is 1,500 pounds. The hitch type is a standard 1.25-inch receiver. This ATV has sealed high clearance arched dual A arm suspension on both the front and rear, with 9 inches of travel on the front and 10.25 inches of travel on the rear. This gives you a smooth ride and plenty of clearance over obstacles. The tires are PXT tires with a size of 26 by 8 on the front and 26 by 11 on the rear. The wheels are 14-inch aluminum wheels that are durable and stylish. This ATV has all LED lights and excellent stopping power with a single lever 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes with hydraulic rear foot brakes. Now let's talk about accessories. This ATV has a 3,500-pound synthetic rope winch and a Kolpin gun scabbard and mount that lets you carry your firearms safely and securely. This ATV has hand warmers that'll help keep your hands warm in the winter. And it also has an all-digital gauge that displays speedometer, odometer, tachometer, hour meter, gear indicator, fuel gauge, and all-wheel drive indicator. And it also has adjustable ratchet claws that can hold various items. This is our breakdown of the Sportsman XP 1000 Hunt Edition. If you're interested in this ATV, call 573-243-1975. We deliver nationwide, and we also offer a lifetime power training warranty on this ATV.